Hey guys, we're back with another unboxing video today. Today we are opening up the Holystone hs720, which is a new foldable drone just released. Let's go ahead and open this up. Got my cool little card knife here. Works pretty good. So this one is a lot smaller than the hs720. It is a foldable drone. Let's go ahead and open this one up. I believe this one's gonna have like the same features as the hs720, which is like your follow me, your GPS, return home, and the custom flights and all that. So those are all still gonna have the same functions. And I believe it's still going to use the same app as well, the Ophelia app. Very nice carry case. Nice and sound, got the little handle on here to carry it with you. You can take it anywhere, pack it up on your flights in your carry-on bag. Should be able to get it on there pretty easy. We don't want to open it up that way. So make sure you open it up with the holystone on top. There's a little, it's like a little pouch in here. We'll see what's in here. This is probably going to be your operation manual, which it is. So you can probably put other stuff in there too. Maybe see if there's extra room for maybe another battery. Let's go ahead and take the drone out. So this one also looks like it has the adjustable camera. So we'll have to take it out and see. Yep, so these, unfortunately this one doesn't look like the camera is adjustable. So I wonder if this one, well, it's got to be adjustable. So we'll have to figure out that one. So it looks like, take your picture of the camera. So this one up here might be your adjustment for your camera, I'm assuming, when you're in flight. So we'll have to try that out. We'll do a flight test and everything on this one as well. Looks like you have your instant home, your takeoff, and your landing. So this is the battery. I'm gonna have to grab my other battery, grab that over here, and see if these are the same as the originals. So they do look a little bit different. This one is for the hs700D. This is for the hs720. So I don't think these are compatible. They are different sizes. We'll try it just so we can see if we have backup batteries or not. We'll try those in a later video. Let's go ahead and open this up. Really like the functions of the blades, because if you do run into something, it will fold these blades. So we'll have to test the quality and you'll see how well they work. I do like the solid blades a little better. I feel like they fly better. But with this, maybe speed wise, it's going to be a little bit different. Good function on here. It has the power on and off compared to the hs700, which does not have the power button. So that's a good feature as well. And we're actually going to test this out at night, because it does have the lights on the bottom. So we'll do a little night video on that to see how well it lights up in the dark. Let's go and see what's inside here. So this is going to be your screwdriver. It's going to have your backup blades, your extra blades in there, and then your charger cord for your battery. And I believe this charger is the exact same charger as the other models, which it is. So you can do two batteries at once, 1 and 2. And then you have your power on, then it'll tell you when it's done charging. Typically battery, it's going to take about a little over an hour to 2 hours to charge for a full life. This drone says it's going to have about a 26-minute life. We'll have to try that out, because I believe this battery is the exact same as the other one. 7.4 volt, 2800. Yep, so it's the exact same battery, so I don't see the life of the drone changing any from both drones. It could be, maybe it's a little lighter, so you might get a little more flight time out of it, but I don't see that happening. But like I said, we'll go out and do a test flight on this and see how well it flies. We'll do a couple different modes too. We'll do the follow me mode, which I know people had issues with the follow me on the hs720, which I did not. It worked perfectly fine for me. So it looks like everything, just pack everything back in here. So if we're going anywhere, nice little carry case to have. I know the hs720 does not have a carry case. The only thing is, let's see if we can pack everything here, make sure everything's gonna fit. You put your battery there, charger, put back here, and then all your little extras. Folds up nice and clean, so that's good. Goes back in pretty easy. I know a lot of issues, they pack everything in there and you try to put it back in the carry case, and a lot of the times you have to take accessories out. So that is the drone. We will take this out, we'll charge the batteries, we'll go out and do a little test flight on it, which that video will be coming next week. Thanks for watching.